Hey guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz. And let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post. And my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, and literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. So I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I love subscription boxes so much. I think they're so fun. I love getting like a little present delivered to you every month. It is so fun. And I'm so happy because TheraBox sent me their subscription box, and already, like, how cute does this look? I'm so excited. I feel like everything in this box is gonna be so me. So if you have my cute girly self-care style, hi, how are ya? You will probably like this. I am so excited. Literally says unbox happiness right here. It's a curated box every month of like little joyful things. And there's usually over $100 worth of self-care things in this box. And it's just a lot of self-care, relaxation products, and we will see, and also just a bunch of cute stuff. I am so excited. That is right up my alley. I love little cute things that can just make your day brighter. So the TheraBox subscription starts at $35 a month when the products are over $100 in retail value. Amazing. That's why we all love subscription boxes, and I am so excited about TheraBox specifically because they look real cute and I'm real excited. Let's just get into it. Let's hop into this video. Also, if you want your own TheraBox, the link is down below. Okay, but let's open this baby up. It just says ingredients to happiness. Unbox happiness. And the website is mytherabox.com. Oh, in the bottom it says self-care is giving the world the best of you instead of what's left of you. Exciting. Ooh, look at all the colors. Oh, so cute. Oh my god, it smells so good opening this up. Oh my god, wow. It looks so spring. It says treat yourself right at the top. So this is everything that is inside the box, and we will be talking money, girly girl. We will be talking the prices of everything and how much this actually was. I'm not gonna look at what's in here yet. We're gonna get an actual reaction to everything right now. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, love the little purple theme. This looks so spring, aw. Oh my god, it smells so good in here. Holy crap. Okay. Oh my god, so this is the first thing that was on top. What is this? Aw. It's this TheraBox right here, and then it's a bunch of little note stickers. Oh my god, I love note stickers. They are so useful. I use a lot of note stickers, so that is so great. Oh my god, yes. Oh my god, look at how cute they are. This is so cute. Oh, it's so girly. Oh my god. So one of them says, I am proud of, like, hearts, things I'm loving. Heart dump. My heart says next week's self-care is self-care goals. This is so cute. I love this so much. So this goes for $8. I always have a million thoughts in my head, so I always need to write stuff down. So I do really love sticky notes, especially as a college student. Especially these are so small, you can put them in books, like to write things, like this little heart one. I could write a bunch of notes on and it would be really cute. And they actually feel like good quality ones, because I don't know, do you guys ever buy like sticky notes from Forever 21 and then they like literally don't stick and they are worthless? Yeah, so these actually feel like good ones. Next thing I see is this. Ooh, it's a Korean face mask. Ugh, I get so excited when I see like Korean on the back of face masks because I love Korean skincare. This is I'm in Love Rose Heart Deep Moisturizing Pink Mask. Oh my god, it feels so juicy. That's a weird word to say, but it does. There's a lot going on in here. I always love face masks. If a self-care box does not have a face mask, ma'am, I do not know. This was $5, so say hello to fresh winter mornings with illuminated complexion and glowing skin. It's a two-step premium skincare face mask and serum that harness natural ingredients, botanicals, and vitamins to help hydrate and care for your skin. But it's really nice that they literally tell you everything about them and like little advice of when to use it for what. Like, I love that. I love that they have so much information in here. TheraBox is so cute. Oh my god. Ooh, okay. What is this? Basecamp Card Co. 54 playing cards and questions. Oh my god, that's so cute. That's so random, but so cute. And I love the packaging, so you can just like travel with it super easy in like this little tin can. Inspired by awesome campfire conversations, these cards were created to build meaningful connections and memories. A game of cards is a timeless source of fun. So it's like 54 ice-breaking questions to get like interesting stories. Aww. This is also just so aesthetic. It's so random, but it really is. Look at this deck of cards. One of them is like, oh, so here it is. Here's an example of it. Like, here's Joker, and it says, what is the story behind one of your scars? I don't know why, but like the aesthetic of this really got me. Like, this is so cute and indie, and I love that. Oh, so I guess each month they give you a happiness boosting activity, and this is this month. They're usually $10. It provokes a lot of conversations and interesting questions and stuff. All about like unplugging with social media and actually speaking to other people and just having a way that make it easier. Good idea, great aesthetic, freaking adorable. What is this? Oh my god. A unicorn lip plumping mask. Look at how aesthetic that looks though. Wow. A blend of organic shea butter, coconut butter, jojoba oil, vitamin E, cosmetic mica, and scented with pink sugar, raspberry, blackberry, bubblegum, and cotton candy, vanilla flavored oil. That sounds so good. Look at how fun that looks. I just want to touch it. That looks so fun. Oh my god, that smells so good. Look at it. Look at this. Are you kidding? This is originally $15. Gives your lips that extra oomph, infused with natural ingredients to rejuvenate the lip skin surface. Super hydrating, delivers moisturized, luscious lip. So yeah, I will definitely be trying this. I can try it on my Instagram if you guys want to know how this is, because it is way too freaking cute. Oh my god. Everything in this box has been adorable. Like, there is nothing that I've been like, that's not like worth it to put in a box. Like, I love all of these things. Even these cards, I don't know. These cards really got me. I think they're the cutest thing ever. Oh, ooh, we got some Sugar Bear hair in here. Okay, pop. All right, I see you, TheraBox. Okay, so I have definitely tried Sugar Bear hair before. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been posting pictures about Sugar Bear hair. So they are a vegan gummy. This is not the hair, this is the women's multivitamin. So it has omega, vitamin B12, and vitamin C, D2. Always happy to get more. I do really like Sugar Bear hair. And this is originally $30. So that's really cool that they put that in this box. So basically they're just multivitamins for healthier skin, hair, nails, and body, and they're vegan gummies. They help with collagen production and all that kind of stuff. As you guys know, it's really cool that TheraBox is collaborating with Sugar Bear hair, that they have Sugar Bear hair in their box. That is really dope. Ooh, I like that at least they have things packaged like in a little plastic bag in case anything spills. Nothing has spilled. Champagne charcoal scrub. Oh my god, what a sentence. Known as the natural wonders of the world, the Dead Sea produces 12 minerals that are not found in any other sea or ocean. Okay, cool. To cleanse, strengthen skin. Champagne charcoal. Champagne charcoal. As you can see, I do love a good scrub. I especially love charcoal scrubs. I think they're so fun. This was $18. Charcoal removes like dirt that's built up in your skin, so it is really good. Oh my god, that smells so good. This smells better than the unicorn scrub. This is it, as you can see. It is at such a good consistency. I love when scrubs aren't like very solid, and I love when they're more liquidy and easier to use. Oh my god, that smells so lovely. Oh my god, I love this smell. Holy crap, I think it's just the champagne. It might just be champagne. But wow, this might be one of my favorite things they sent. Because I love that it's like jiggly, so it'd be easy to scrub and not like harsh to scrub. I know a lot of scrubs are kind of harsh. More Sugar Bear hair things. Okay, pop off. Luxury shower cap. Oh my god. I have the ugliest shower cap right now, so I'm actually really happy. It's so random. Like an ugly shower cap, like who cares, who's gonna see it? But like, I don't know. Bonus tip, prevent bedhead. This beautiful cap is designed to protect your precious locks while you sleep. Or deep conditioning your hair. You may need, oh, so even if you want to do a deep conditioning treatment, this cap is designed to improve deep conditioning results. So just leave your favorite conditioner in your hair and wear the cap to enjoy an amazing conditioning experience. That's really cool. It's a high quality waterproof exterior and plush terry lining on the inside. While showering, the terry lining absorbs any damaging humidity or steam so your hair stays soft or flawless. Wow, that is so fun. Oh my god, I didn't even know Sugar Bear hair makes this. Let's open this up. Oh my god. Oh, this is a good quality shower cap. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. This is a, look, it's actually lined on the inside. It is fluffy on the inside. I have never felt such a good shower cap ever. This is like high quality. This is so cute. Have a beret moment. Thank you. I guess if you want a really good quality shower cap, SUGARBEAR Hair has that. I wouldn't have known. In this box, TheraBox has so many cool things. I didn't even know I wanted all of these things until it came. And it is such a nice surprise and such a nice present. Wow, I love this box. Okay, so we got Z Skin Nature's Secret in the palm of your hand. Acne Coffee Face Scrub Exfoliating. 100% organic skincare. So it's just a scrub used to prevent breakouts and remove blackheads and close pores. Oh, also shower cap was $15. This is $37. Wow. $37, well, it's organic skincare, so I guess I get that, but wow. Real coffee grounds to reveal your vibrant skin, and coconut oil, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil to help clear out dirt while retaining moisture. Wow, nice. That smells like very medicinal, like definitely for acne, which I need. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I love that it's in like a travel thing, so I can just take it with me wherever, like when I go traveling. It's in such a small container, which is so nice. And this is the last thing. What is this? What is this? For your body, for intense exfoliation, detox massage brush. Improves blood circulation, helps eliminate toxins. Okay. For dry and wet brushing. Oh my god, what is this? This is $16. This is for dry brushing, which has traveled across time from an ancient pre-bath ritual. Oh, actually I went to a spa recently and they did this. The ability to exfoliate, reduce the appearance of cellulite, and aid lymphatic drainage for more swift removal of toxins. Oh yeah, they did this at a spa for me recently. I had a Korean like spa thing. Oh yay, now I have my own. Oh my god, that's so cool. So basically you put a scrub on and then you just like circulate, and it like helps with circulation in your body, and it also like super exfoliates your skin, like intense exfoliation. Use 2 times a week as a dry brush pre-shower. So yeah, so you'd use it dry, or you could use it wet if you want, like in the shower. It's kind of painful when I went to the spa, but it's good. It really gets your skin like super smooth. I do promise you that. So everything has been so unique and fun. I'm really shook. I really like TheraBox. I really recommend TheraBox. Hi. And all these were really good. Like there were some name brand products and stuff, which are insane. So yeah, if you want to check them out, the link is down below. Thank you guys for watching. And I hope you guys get this for yourself and have an amazing self-care moment. And yeah, bye guys. See you soon.